Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Morning Market. My name is Chris Leyland, and I'm Director of Investment Strategy here at True Potential. So our goal of the Morning Market's video productions is really to, give you a feel of what we're discussing as an investment team overall. Now, if we look at what happened yesterday, the US equity market, it continued on its upwards trajectory, recording another all-time high. Now, currently, it's earnings season in the US, and I know George talked a little bit about that yesterday on Morning Market. So that's when companies report their quarterly results. Now, one company that is really keenly watched is Caterpillar. So Caterpillar has long been considered a bellwether of the global economy because of its role as a supplier of key industrial equipment and its broad exposure to global markets. So what does Caterpillar do? Hopefully a lot of you will be quite familiar with Caterpillar, but it's a manufacturer of construction and mining equipment, diesel and natural gas engines. So you'll quite often see Caterpillar diggers on building sites. But let's look at the results. So pleasingly, the results were strong. Earnings per share for the third quarter came in at $2.66, which was comfortably ahead of economists' estimates of $2.26, so about 18% ahead. So these figures were also ahead by 75% compared to Q3 2020. And when you looked underneath the figures, all divisions reported improved performances. If we look at sales, they increased by 25% compared to the third quarter last year, and they're in line with estimates. But what's important about this is that the above was achieved with rising input costs coming in 24% higher compared to the third quarter 2020. So Caterpillar is an example of a company who's been able to successfully deal with rising input prices and produce strong, credible results. Companies with strong pricing power, selling goods into markets that are less price sensitive, are attractive to ourselves and our fund managers right now. If we look at the share price, Caterpillar shares closed up 4% yesterday, and were a key component in the strong performance of the US equity market. But what does this all mean? Rising input costs clearly are a challenge for many companies, and we read that in the papers every day. However, there are companies that are providing products that customers are demanding and, more importantly, are willing to pay up for. If you can, please read today's weekly article that looks at the US stock market in more detail and how successful US companies have been. And then just one final plug from me is please watch our Halloween podcast. So that's available by subscribing to the True Potential YouTube channel. So it's fancy dress, and my fellow portfolio manager, George Bell, is particularly excited to be taking part. Okay, that's everything from me. Please enjoy your weekend, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you very much.
To the True Potential YouTube channel is quick and easy. Simply go to the channel on your desktop or through the YouTube app on your phone and click the subscribe button. You can then press the notification bell symbol if you wish to be notified as and when new videos are released. Doing this is a great way to keep yourself updated with market developments and personal finance insights. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and we look forward to continuing to help you do more with your money.